Hey everyone, I just wanted to remind you all today that there's a lot of animals in the animal kingdom that actually breathe through their anus, their rectum, or something around their cloaca. Some turtles do it. They go down inside the water and they can pump water and get some oxygen from that through their anus. Dragonfly nymphs do it. Mosquitoes attach their siphon up to the surface of the water and they breathe like that. And now you potentially can too, because they've done experiments that show that pigs and rats can be given oxygen through their rectums. And this might help you if you have a surgery, maybe in your upper respiratory tract, and you can't do that. Um, of course, it's going to damage your intestinal lining to some extent, maybe ruin your gut microbiome, but you can also get a poop transplant later. So then we can alleviate that. Hopefully, you don't ever have to do that. But why all of this came up is because as we're entering into the rainy season, mosquitoes are going to lay their eggs inside that bucket of water that you have laying around the yard or inside that old tire. And if you add some cooking oil onto the surface of the water every about 21 days, when those mosquito larvae hatch and they go and try to breathe by sticking their butts to the surface, that oil is actually going to be too hard for them to push up through, clog up their gills, and then they can drown and die. And so you will interrupt that mosquito cycle if you still want to leave that water hanging around your yard for whatever other purposes you use it for. So I hope you enjoyed that bit of science and perspective today. The science that you might have didn't know that you needed to know. All right. Hey, I'll catch y'all later.